9-foot custom weld twin engine Jetboat powered by twin Chevy 5.3 liter motors. Good morning, everyone. I'd like to welcome you aboard Snake Dancer Excursions. As a boat driver or captain, I have to be licensed under the U.S. Coast Guard, and I've got a 50-ton inland waters navigation license and have for a little while now.
28,000.
For daily tour lunches to overnight fishing charters, things like that. As we go through this next set of rapids right here in front of us, we're going to be in 3 states all at the same time for just a moment. As I've been talking about, on our left we have Idaho, on our right we have Washington. This is going to be our lunch stop today. We will tie up to the dock, we'll offload everything, and everyone, you got to step off just like you got on. You can go up the ramp. A neat little waterfall we have. It runs all summer long. It's cold water, so this is a really popular spot for people to stop in the summertime, cool off in the creek, and then it's very deep here. When the floods came through and cut Hell's Canyon, this got left very, very narrow, and this was a dam site right in front of us. There were dams proposed between Lesotho all the way on up to Hell's Canyon Dam. Miss Imnaha, the big wooden paddle wheeler that brought all the supplies up to the town of Eureka. I believe this is where it's sunk at. It's right here. So there's steel parts right under us right now from that ship. So we're back down here to the Salmon River, over here on our right. They're a lot of fun to catch.
Clayton with Snake Dancer Excursions. We just got back from a 5.5 to 6 hour tour. We did 60 miles one way, leaving Lewiston up into Hell's Canyon, had lunch, and made it to Doug Bar, saw our major tributaries being the Salmon River, the Naha River, and just got back. It's about 4 o'clock, and we got to see some wildlife, some white water. We had beautiful weather on a spring day.